Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use just navigating generally through Monday.com. Okay, so Monday.com is just a project management tool that helps you to manage your projects seamlessly and effectively. So it's mostly used by project managers. Okay, like this is the tool that I use to make my work easier for me. So project managers basically use this for their work. And when let me just dive into it. If you look at the Monday.com interface, you're going to see that it's just very simple to understand. You have the home. The home is just like showing you basically everything that you have to know here. I just opened this account newly for the video of the for the purpose of this video. Okay, so it's trying to tell me to complete my profile. Okay, which I will do later. But I already have an account with them, so I may not be able to do that here. So my work. This is where you get to see every work that you have done on Monday.com. But this is a new account, like I said. You are not going to see any work here. Now, where the main work happens in Model.com is in the workspace. I have two workspaces here. This main workspace is the workspace that was already there. It's the default workspace for Monday.com. So I can decide to switch between these two, okay? But this is the workspace that I just created today for the sake of this video. And I'm going to show you how to navigate or maybe how to create workspace. So I'm going to go ahead and um, I think I wanted to try and see if I can delete this workspace actually. Like I want to delete it then after deleting it. Okay, yeah, this is it. So I deleted Barbara's workspace, okay? So I'm going to add a new workspace. Now look at this place now. This is where you add workspace from. So I'm going to give it that same name that I gave it the first time. Barbara's workspace, okay? Yeah. So I'm going to add and it's going to pop up. Okay, so this is it again. And in a particular workspace, you have this drop down. You can rename, you can change icon, you can manage workspace, you can delete, you can add new workspace, you can browse all workspaces, you can also collapse all folders, and you can view, archive, or trash. Okay, so this is how you collapse the sidebar. You can do it directly from here, or you can do it from that drop down that you just saw now. So going forward, now, if I want to add something to this particular workspace, this is what I will do. I'm going to click on this plus icon so that so many things that I can add can actually pop up, be it new project, new portfolio, new board, new document, new dashboard, choose from templates, import data, apps that you can actually integrate into Monday.com by automation, and then new form. So it depends on whatever you want to. I can choose from templates, which is how Monday.com makes it easier for its users to work with whatever interface that they want to. But I'm going to do that from here. So I'm going to add from workspace now. So we're just going to give it a few seconds to load. Okay. So these are the templates that I have. Now, looking at this left hand side, you're going to see different templates for different things that you want to create. It just gives you an edge already on how to create the thing that you really need. Okay. So because I I opened this um freetrialmoney.com for mostly project management tools. I'm just going to click on this basic project management template. Okay, so I'm just going to click on use this template because this is exactly what I want. Okay, so I'm going to click on it and it's going to just take a few moments to open up. Yeah, okay, so this is it, right? So I'm going to if you look at this place now, you're going to see that you have three different boards. I'm just going to call them boards now. To do and done. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and delete these things, right? Actually, let me just mark all of them so that I can make this place look neat. So This is what I want to do. I want to delete them. Okay, so that it will become blank. I don't know why it deleted just, yeah. So the to do board is now blank, and I'm going to do the same thing for the done part of it too. So I'm going to delete it also, just to make it cleaner. So this is a new project, okay? This is a new project. I can also decide to add new group to this. So the new group, let me delete, let me rename this one actually to done, okay? Then I'm now going to rename this one to whatever it is that I want, but let me just put in progress, okay? But you guys will see what will happen. So if I want to create a new project plan, I can just name it what will I name it now? I can just use the name. I can change this to call leads, okay? Or let's just say get new clients, okay? Then that is the name of this project. The goal of this project is to get new clients, okay? So if this first part now, I can just say generate leads, okay? Now this one, I can sorry, but I don't really know what is going on here. Yeah, I want it to be here. So generate leads, and this in progress, I would like to change it to something else, okay? Why now? I don't know what is actually going on, but I just want to edit the name here, okay? So I want to change this to code calling. Then I'm going to leave this at done, okay? Actually, let's okay, let me just put this one on set appointments, okay? So I can decide now to add a new group, which is done, okay? Okay, can change the color from here, from there, and I'm going to change this appointment setting. I want to change the color. Generate lead blue. Then I would like to change the color of this to pink, gold calling. Now I want to change the color of this set appointment to orange. I usually like leaving my dawn on green. So yeah. So that being said, this is how you can create different things that you want. Okay. So you can add a task here. Let's say generate leads using Apollo.io. Now you can give this task to its owner. Okay. You can also converse with the owner of this task. You can assign someone to this task. In this case, I'm going to assign Sandra. Then the status of the task, just whatever it is you want. My Monday.com makes it very, very much easier for you. Okay. This video, I don't want it to be too long, but cold calling, you can decide to add tasks, you can decide to add a task and call it call the first 100 numbers, okay, on the list. Sorry, my keyboard is kind of having issue. Okay, but I've already ordered for a new laptop. So when you call the first 100 numbers on the list, set appointment. Okay, you can decide to set set first appointment using Calendly. Okay, so don't mind my typing. I'm just trying to be fast with this. Then done. Okay, now we have created different tasks, and because I don't want this video to be long and I have not invited much people to this workspace, I would have just assigned different people to these tasks. Okay, so if under this generating list using Apollo IO, if for example that I also want leads to be generated through another website, I can still add that task here and add a different person and assign this task to a different person. Okay, so just like that, you will just keep going. Okay, so that's just basically what Monday.com does for you. There are a lot of things to explain here, and I have other videos that explain these things more deeply. But I just wanted to use this video to show you, just for a beginner, what it actually means to use this. Actually, you can also automate your actions. I have a video where I've shown people how to automate actions in such a way that once a task is completed, that it should automatically move to what? Done. Okay, so as a project manager, when you automate your work, when you automate your your work on Monday.com, when you turn on your automations, you are going to find it easier to navigate. Why? Because once you probably sign into work on the next day, and when you come to this done site on a particular project that you are working on, you can see the tasks that are already done and you can check them out. And then you can even communicate with the owners of these tasks from this place that says start conversation. So for this video, I'm going to be stopping here just so it won't be too long. Thank you for listening. Bye.